You don't have any rights to go and thank any God for killing somebody's child. You fucking murderer. You don't have any rights to go and thank any God for killing somebody's child. You fucking murderer. Asante foye enkwasi anso soso. Ye enkwasi anso soso ye enkwasi atimude. What the nyame ase for fucking what? Sa nyame na akoda ase no dwene ho.
Adia ya kese pa wo wiase ene se asem beto na oni okamafo. Na wa hwe asem na ato no udi bem nanso no fami koni ni ho. Hwan na ejina mama wo? Unya obi ama ne nka bi ma wo. Ewiase adia ya ba kono no. Na sesi amene wo kasai Afia Schwar aba abonten. One thing Ghana for cannot take it away from Afia Schwar. We cannot take the glory from Afia Schwar ade bako. Sa asem si na ohwe na nipa na asem na to no sabi oni okamafo a Afia etimi gina mu manipa no. There has been so many instances Afia wahu oye too much. Currently Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin case the aftermath medofo eya yensem bebre enra eba bonten se accident ni sie innocent child 3 years wahwere ne nkwa ni na grantee interview omune I think Angel FM and some ne na kan utia medofo na asefem ena no pa yedanya ne ye akra ne maame nso astarte kasa na utie akra ne maame anu masema ahomete papa. Because according to the abusuafo ne kan say no kamia ye say they have been neglected. Say omoba wu omoba ketwa innocent child ewu na ase nipa na nam ne so sabi akra ne wu ye no omachi omani ha adwene papa medofo utie abusuafo ne kasa yawo ewom sabi enyoma na ma akra ne maami ikom no medofo se wonwo da sabi wanhwe ya wonte ase ebawuo ahomete se hwe se wo fie ni afro so obawu adanya obi drive careless eko overspeeding or the car be bo ukunu case wo amaba wadi emfie miensa ewu medofo just like that wa ye ma wanim emeka bibia na sabi omo enam omo so oba na wu no gina sorry dem wo danyame ase egina program ase eye de osomu ye omu refiu my dear asem we to a enye asem na isi no enye nkola asem o but for now no yentimi blame obia because Kwadwo no ono na sabi onya accident no on say accident ade eto a utimi ye unconscious but the dodo na kan say otimi sorry free yare ampa so eba ni premier ne nyoma na ekoso nyina ne de nanka o say o ma ye the needful o ma hwehwe akra na busua ene nyoma and one question in say the management team no o ma briefi Kwadwo anaso mum briefi no because on say accident dey see a untimi hu dey see ye gise bi obi ogina ho ane ma hu but yemfa we nyina nto nchen Afia Schwar aba abonten na ensema Afia dia aba abonten na medofo ano ohye na me mpese me kasa ma Afia because on say asem bi esi a obia ne kwan a ofa so ehu ne fa na say de Afia si hu no medofo dis o tie de nu masem ansa no wetima pass judgment
Nyame na wokoda ase no wo dwene ho na mi busa se little win wa akwala ne maame wa hu akwala na busuafo ana wo suma nkrofo ene eko hospital eko tesa akwala na wu chesa akwala ne hu hia obi ba 3 years no ne hu hia obi ba 3 years no onye nipa obi ba 3 years no na say ye kuni pa 3 years an Kwadwo Nkansah why ye mponi o me pa 3 years ahe si ye kuni pa 3 years enka wonki ya to watchne nke de uyi musuo obi ba 3 years no onu de ne hu hia wo na nyame ajewo wo ene nyame ajewo o nyame waje wodi emu wo na bo bi kwa wo ana bonsam na wo so Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin you are murderer Uye wudini ya wikum nipa, wakum nipa. Uwa nenka wu wiase Adiana wayeno. Enka wanya second degree cry enka wu manslaughter de. Kado be kwa tumbe 20 years. Adiana wayeno. America kumu hana wa. Yana yetigana ho. We want the system to work. They want the system to work. Is the system working? Is the system working? We want the system to work. The question is the system working? Huh? Is the system working? And our system now was say juma mabino. Na enye juma mabino. Wouldn't nyansa nka wodi ka bu became mama ni bewu. Or papa the hospital, but I need them watching. You don't go to church and thank God. You go and look for the family. You go and look for the family. And we are sitting here demanding justice for the 3 years boy. Me, I come on me. Boy, no, you came here. And we are demanding justice. That boy, that 3 years boy deserves justice. Justice. That boy, that 3 years boy deserves justice. Justice. Ghana police for someone in me. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. We are demanding justice. Eyesika ye ni nara. Nyamia beskano. Ye will be man bull so yet time. We are demanding justice for the boy. We are demanding justice for the 3 years boy. We are demanding justice. And we expect an arrest to be made today. I'm not being what just will be the hospital. Yentini arrested him. Yentini arrested him. A police needs to change. Police for Munya Shimino. Monquas Yasano. Police for ha. Yes, it's one police station for Munya Shimino. Who take them okay? No celebrity is about the law in Ghana. No celebrity. And celebrities should be the last people. I already can't be young. Celebrities should be the last people. We are supposed to be role models. And if you can't be a role model, you just have to put a good example out there. Good example. When I say, that is not a good example. That is not a good example. And if a celebrity does that, I will see a china song. Now for this answer. Me kind of for you, Reverend also bempa, you could go in a handcuff. Yet she will also bempa now at the police hospital. Lilwin Wayne must be arrested today. There is no excuse. He must be arrested, prosecuted, and charged before the law courts. Wakum nipa, it's a manslaughter, and he needs to face the law. When and that time, obi any mini will be what make many team company will be our facing murder charges. For what? And I'm afraid of Medana. We must seek justice for the poor boy. And justice I came to seek for Richard Terrier. Justice I came to seek for the poor boy. Because just as Akwalani Nana kind, every minute that Sakwalani Nana Mama Metia will say, yeah. Menana wo. Nanka will be auntie Akwalani Washer. Obiante Akwalani Washer. We are seeking, we are demanding justice for the poor boy. Onuso yo bi ba papa. Oyo bi ba. Obi da chi na asem. Enya bonsam na ye obi are. A little win, a Kwadwo Nkansah ahote. Ne ho ana eteno. Se wo ba be ye premier. E ho adrenaline. Any Jimmy eno di koku obi wa. Justice for Richard Tavia. We demand justice for the 3 years boy. And upon my son watching Tiama, it is justice for the poor boy. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin is not above any fucking laws in Ghana. He needs to be arrested, prosecuted. He needs to face the traffic acts. I was publishing the license. Am I able to driving a valid license? Yes. We need his license to be published for us to know, say, as at the time of the incident, was Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin in possession of a valid driver's license? I know it is too late, but did we conduct alcohol tests? Did we conduct drug tests? I am not saying he's into drugs, but what I'm saying is 80% of your celebrities in Ghana now, especially Emano, and every Tofia, almost drug be a friend ecstasy. 80% of your so-called celebrities in Ghana, especially the girls, are into hardcore drugs. Hardcore drugs. I know it because I was invited to a party. Me Afia, me can me Rina menom, Rina manom, Rina manu mejai. But they thought say I was into drugs. And I was at a party with a particular friend, George, that they were cocktailing drugs. They were cocktailing drugs. And so most of your celebrities are into drugs. Did they do a drug test on him? Did they do an alcohol test on him? Police for no, marking our accident scene. And I said, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. It's they left it as it is. We are here demanding justice for the boy. Justice for Richard Tavia. We are here demanding justice for Tavia. Mese me ya tamame. Boy no dintafuachi. That makes this so personal. We are here demanding justice for the boy. We want to see Lilwin going to court. We want to see him going to court. Now, so we try movie ba kubia na nipa ba ko fa osuwu a. We try time movies and nipa do say ne ah, a dear movie na we try. A Netflix movie. A Netflix movie ana. Ah, e ya ne ho tey dodo. E ya ne ho tey dodo. Jackie Apia wa premiere the second movie on Netflix. Jackie wa the car koku obi. Jackie Apia wa premiere the second movie on Netflix. Or the car koku obi ana. Ghana ni girl be a friend Peace Hide. I am go Peace Hide. Nara Productions I can see a Peace Hide. Area to Netflix. Peace Hide. Peace Hide. Oh, Peace Hide. Momo baby cry me boni di mutini dinda. Peace Hide. No a presenter of Vice. Momo American Productions I can see. Productions, international productions with international casts are all yet to Netflix. International hotel no nenko kunipa. Celebrities. Yena what just say road accidents are claiming lives. Road accidents. Road accidents. Kwame mumo di no mame. Kwame osu ansa. Sa no de ka akohwe obi di emu hu. Susan Williams. Accident say ya cool. Young famous Africa Peace Hide. And to one akuku ni pa. Ebony. Accidents ni cool Ebony. Terrible Chaka. Na mama me kai ma die bi. On Saturday, na ya paint week. Maybe I'm go sad that. Saturday, we need pent week, you know. The way I can promise cost say one. Sana terrible nchaka. I could say pent week. About some 11 years ago or so, me refi. Yes. Sana terrible nchaka. I could say pent week. 11 years ago, the brother. It's about 20 something years ago. Sana, terrible nchaka. Oko save o freely go neighbor. And not in a car. Celebrities should be the last people to play with cars. Celebrities should be the last people to play with cars. Ketchena with the car near you. And was said about him, say, car that you was some pat. And your fans living a wood. Car that you was some pat. Oh, my, now.
Asida kese nkoma bedafo so wanyamre now the ama the Bona Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. All you have to do is to subscribe, follow, like, share, and comment on all our videos on all other social media platforms. I'm out.